All right, hello everybody. We've got a simple mixed operations problem here. Another one of these viral problems that shows up on the internet. It's 48 divided by 2 multiplied by the quantity 9 plus 3. And if you'd like to at this point, you can pause the video and we will come back and work this one out together. All right, so first of all, a brief review again of the order of operations. It's parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division left to right, and then finally addition and subtraction. Also is referred to as PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. There's also a similar acronym called BODMAS, B-O-D-M-A-S. That's just brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. PEMDAS and BODMAS will give you the same answer. It's the same thing. So here we look for parentheses. Well, we do have parentheses. 9 plus 3 equals 12. So we're left then with 48 divided by 2 multiplied by 12. So we've satisfied the first condition. Number two, we look for any exponents. Well, here we don't have any. You just move to the next step. And that's one thing I want to stress with PEMDAS, order of operations. If you don't have something, you go to the next step. I see a lot of people say, well, there's no parentheses. If this problem didn't have any parentheses, you just do everything left to right, and that's incorrect. In this case, we did have parentheses, and we did solve inside of them, but if you don't have parentheses, you still go to the next step. The next step would be exponents, then multiplication and division, and then finally addition and subtraction. All right, so we look at multiplication and division next, which actually would be our third step, not our second step. But multiplication and division are solved left to right in the order that you find them. So in this problem, the first thing we run into is division. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. All right, so what's next? Well, next would be multiplication. Multiplication, 24 times 12 is 288. So the correct answer is 288. Again, a lot of people get the wrong idea of PEMDAS. A lot of people think PEMDAS is some sort of six-step checklist, and they think that multiplication comes before division, and just because of the order of the letters. And that is incorrect. Remember, division is nothing more than multiplying by a reciprocal. So multiplication and division are on the same level. They have the same priority. You just solve whichever one comes first, going left to right. Same with addition and subtraction. I've actually seen people try to tell me that addition comes before subtraction. Again, that's just as wrong. Subtraction is the same thing as adding a negative number. Again, it doesn't even matter what order you add and subtract, as long as you do it correctly. You'll get the same answer. Um, so that does it for that. But I want to work through this problem on a calculator, actually a couple different ones. We're going to go look at WolframAlpha, and we're also going to solve it using a scientific calculator on a computer. So we're going to take a look at that. All right, we're going to work this one out using the scientific calculator on a Windows computer, and I can do that here by just be careful. You might have yours set on standard mode, which is not what you want. You want scientific mode so that you can enter in the expression. It'll solve in expression mode. So it's 48 divided by 2, and then a left parenthesis, 9 plus 3, put the close parenthesis, and hit equals, and we get 288. So that does confirm our order of operations answer. Now we're on Wolfram Alpha, and want to enter this same problem in. Make sure we have it here, 48. And look at that, here it comes right up. Apparently this is an often entered problem, so we'll just enter that in. 48 divided by 2 times quantity 9 plus 3. You can see the input here, it's the same thing as this. The answer is 288. 288. So you can click on the step-by-step result if you want to. The very first thing you do here is you solve inside of the parentheses. 9 plus 3 is 12. And then from there, it's the division, 48 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 times 12 is 288. So that helps to confirm our answer.